Hi, good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful morning. Look, the sun is there. I will show you one of our tree house. We have a little issues in this tree house. This is the biggest tree house what we have. But every 6 months by 6 months, this is the jackfruit. Biggest fruits in the world. Every 6 months by 6 months, we have to repair the roof because with the wind, trees start to shaking. Then after, make a space, the tree and the roof in the balcony here. This is a big jackfruit trees. She's make the space between the roof and tree. Then when it's raining, water coming. Still we didn't find the way to how to stop. So it's like around 7 years now. Then our woods become damaged. So after I need to replace the wood like every year. Look how beautiful this morning. We have sun in Sri Lanka. This is Ella Sri Lanka. So we closed a few nights this room and we are repairing now. We replaced some iron to the roof. It's a very big room for 6 person with big windows. I will show you the bathroom also. Bathroom also we start to paint. Look the bathroom. Yesterday we paint just this part, so need to paint the rest. This is the sink, water coming from this rock. Shower is same, water coming like a waterfall from this rock. I will show you. So we 2 person can sleep here and 2 person up and another 2 single beds, so totally 6. So like a big family can come and stay in this room. And look the light system. It's hanging on the branch. So here is the problem. The roof. Water coming. Look, we make like umbrella to water to go around the tree. Here is same. Then we water can follow along this way. Then we put the iron also on there, that side we already put something, but it's still water leak. So don't know how to do because I don't want to cut these branches. We really like the nature. The rest, some other room, I have no trees, only in this two. I have 2 rooms like this, so these 2 rooms always make a problem. But anyway, we will try today also. I will update another video when it's finished. And guys, if you have any idea to give me how to stop the water leak from the roof, please let me know, because 7 years I'm searching about it. So thanks to watch this video and give me some idea. And if you can subscribe, I will update some some more videos about the tree house. And we have waterfall just nearby here, like a 20 minutes walking. We can swim in there. It's really beautiful. So I like to take you guys there. And this is the mango tree. It's a mango tree, coconut tree, avocado tree, all the things we have. So see you again. Bye.